Come test drive the 2024 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.